You are a new YouTuber exactly like me and you have no idea what video you should post next. I got you. I have put together a list of 10 video ideas that can work with any niche, no matter what content you are creating. Whether you are into tech, into beauty, into cooking, even into something very, very unique, it doesn't matter. These video ideas will help you a lot. Let's start. Video idea number 1. Beginner's guide to ... your topic. I'll give you 2 examples. Example number 1, a beginner guide to start a YouTube channel. Example number 2, a beginner guide to start home workouts. Everyone loves a good guide. I love a good guide. When I want to learn something like cooking or crocheting, I'm always looking for those type of videos, and I'm always looking from the beginning to the end because they are so useful to me. Video idea number 2, top 10 tips for ... your topic. 2 examples for you are: example number 1, top 10 things you need to know before you start a YouTube channel. Example number 2, top 10 things you need to know about healthy eating. You know that people are always looking for quick and actionable tips, and this idea will help you show your expertise in the matter, in the topic. The video that I'm doing right now is exactly this. I'm giving you, the consumer, the viewer, YouTube video ideas. So I'm helping you. I'm giving you a quick list. Video idea number 3, how to get started with ... your topic. Example number 1, how to get started with recording the first video. Example number 2, how to get started with cooking. I know that you will tell me that this is similar to the beginner's guide, but this is focusing more on the first steps you need to take on that specific topic. For example, I do have a video on my channel, you can find it right over here, where I tell you exactly the process of starting a YouTube channel. In this video, I show you exactly step by step the easiest process you need to follow from the first step to the last step, so you can upload your first video on YouTube. Check it out if you would like. Video idea number 4, common mistakes to avoid ... your topic. Example number 1, common mistakes to avoid when starting a YouTube channel. Example number 2, common mistakes to avoid when making a soup. We all make mistakes when we start something new. So with this video idea, you are helping your audience to avoid those mistakes, and you are helping them learn from your own mistakes. For example, I do have a video on this channel about 10 things I wish I knew before I started my YouTube channel, where I list all of the things you shouldn't do or you should do before starting the YouTube channel. I'm showing you what I've learned from my mistake. Video idea number 5, a day in a life of a ... your topic. Example number 1, a day in a life of a new YouTuber. Example number 2, a day in a life of a new chef, cook. Show your audience what a day in your life looks like. I haven't done any video like this yet, but I will do it in the future because it helps your audience to know you better and to see that you are a normal person doing videos on YouTube. It's one of the greatest way to connect with your audience and to show them a peek of your routine, of your morning routine, of your night routine, or your daily routine. Video ideas number 6, my journey in ... your topic. Example number 1, my journey in becoming a YouTuber. Example number 2, my journey in cooking soup for the first time. When you share your personal experience on something that you are doing, can help inspiring other people. Let's say that a person wants to start a YouTube channel. If they come to my channel, they will see my story. A person wants to start cooking, they will see you starting cooking, and they will start as well making simple recipes. So the important part over here is to talk about your ups and downs as well, and to show to your audience how you got where you are today. The idea is number 7, first impression and unboxing of ... your topic. Example number 1. First impression and unboxing my new microphone. Idea number 2. First impression and unboxing my new pan, cooking pan. People love to see unboxing videos. I love to see unboxing videos. Even before I buy anything, and I mean anything like this t-shirt or like this microphone, I'm searching on YouTube the specific product to see someone reviewing it. This type of videos are fun and very, very engaging. I recommend it to do it. I haven't done any video yet, but I'll do it in the coming future. Video idea number 8. How this ... your topic has changed my life. Example number 1. How starting a YouTube channel has changed my life as a mom of 3. Example number 2. How eating healthy has changed my life as the mom of 3 again. People love to see how a particular topic has changed their life because they want to start something new, but they aren't sure how it's going to be. For example, I want to start a diet, but will this diet change my life? Or I'm just doing for no reason at all. They want to see this kind of videos to relate to them and to feel what the person in the video is sharing with them, to feel the feelings that they are feeling and to finally start. Video idea number 9. Q&A, answering all of your questions. Example number 1. Q&A, answering all your questions about my YouTube journey. Example number 2. How I eat healthy and how I cook healthy. Q&A. You should go down to your videos and see some of your audience questions and start answering them. If you are new to YouTube and you have any comments of any subscriber, then you can answer some common Q&A questions. Video idea number 10. Top 5 tools for your ... topic. Example number 1. Top 5 tools to get started on YouTube. Example number 2. Top 5 applications that will help you start eating healthy. An advice on this video idea would be to be honest with your audience and to share some application or some tools that you already tested them and you like them and you trust them, not some random tools and applications that you just find it on the internet. Believe me, what you recommend will help others find some resources that they were looking for a long time. So these are the 10 video ideas that I could give you for today. I will make another video with more ideas. If you like that video, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below if you have any question.